Hi guys, my name is Annie. I am a sugar artist. On my channel, I talk about everything related to sugar flowers. Whether you are a beginner or seeking to develop your skills on making sugar flowers, remember to subscribe to my channel and let's make some amazing sugar flowers together. In my last video, I talked about the basic color theory. If you haven't seen it, go to my channel and check it out. And today, we're going to bring all the theory that we learned last time to life. First, we have to create a color wheel. So I have colored my fountain that uses 3 colors from Wilton. They are red, sky blue, and lemon yellow. I find these colors are closer to the primary colors. And now I'm going to make the secondary colors by mixing the primary colors up. Okay, I have done my color wheel, and now I'm going to use the 12 colors to make my first palette. I have made 2 color guides to help me as a reference when I am coloring my gum paste or fondant. One is the standard color guide and the other is the complementary color guide. You can subscribe to my channel and leave comments below to get the link to these color guides. When I want to create a color palette that provides a subtle and conservative color combination, I will jump into the standard color guide. Choose a color and some others as accents. The accent colors could be the shades, tones, or tints of this dominant color, or the color that sits side by side of this dominant color on the color wheel. And if I want to create a color palette that provides a high contrast color scheme and gives more impact, I will jump into the complementary color guide. You can choose multiple dominant colors when you're using complementary color guide. But remember, the more colors you have in your color palette, the more difficult it is to balance. Now I'm going to start with the complementary color guide and create my first color palette. So looking at this color guide, I love the colors in this area. According to the color guide, to achieve these colors, I will need to mix these colors up. Okay, I have created my first palette and now I am going to make the tint of those colors by adding white. So there you go, this is how I create my color palette uses the complementary color guide. And now let's move on to the standard color guide. So in the standard color guide, I am going to choose the peachy pink as my dominant color and yellow and pink purple to be my accent colors. According to the standard color guide, starting from yellow to pink purple, I need to create the shades in between by mixing these colors up. Okay, as you can see, I now have a few different palettes. I have also made the tints of all these colors by adding white. Okay, I now have a few different palettes. I could also rearrange the colors and create some different color combinations. You could go onto my Facebook or Instagram to check all these possible color combinations out. Another way I do when I am coloring my fountain or gum paste is to go on Pinterest and search for color palettes, find the one that I love and match the color with the color guides so I know how I am going to achieve the colors. Coloring exercises have always been exciting for me. I often spend a lot of time trying with different color combinations and it does help me a lot. So I do suggest you to play with your color, with the color guides and do some exercises like what we just did. And when you practice this often, you will gradually become more and more sensitive to the colors. So even there is no color guides, you will know how to achieve the colors that you like. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and in my next video I'm going to talk about how to make jasmine flowers using gum paste. Remember to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out my next tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if there are any flowers that you'd like me to create next. I will see you guys soon.